Welcome back to Daytime Live. So we're jumping from Jamaica and we're heading over to London town to speak to Jamaican-born UK rapper Cashh. Wagwan, Cashh.
Wagwan.
Cashh, you're watching the show? You're listening to the show?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, the year Masika and Wally for things are going.
I'm gonna leave that right there. And that.
Whole England are talking about it right now.
You're trending.
I'm not laughing enough.
Yeah.
I prefer that.
Do you kill mosquitoes while you listen to masikas?
So Cashh, back to you.
Casitas?
Cashh, back to you. I'm ignoring Dufton, right? So the last time you were here on Daytime Live, it was, promoting the movie The Intent 2. So much has happened since then. Could you kind of fill us in?
Well, a quick synopsis. I don't know if I touched on it when I was there during that interview, but I was born in Jamaica, Redders Road, Park Lane, and I migrated to the UK when I was 7 years old, and then I was removed from the UK in 2014 back to Jamaica. Now, between the ages...
What do you mean removed?
Oh, gosh.
Removed, in another term, deported.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay, go on.
But technically, I wasn't deported. That's why I'm there, so again. But so people can understand, it's in the same line of deportations, right? So I was removed / deported from the UK back to Jamaica. I never really had a lot of knowledge in terms of the country. I had more knowledge on the culture than the country, because once I left as a 6-year-old, I didn't return. So I returned as a 20-year-old, and I ended up staying in Jamaica for around 5 years and just getting to know myself, getting to connect to my family and connect to the culture on a deeper level. So when I came on the show to promote the Intent movie, it was a good feeling because it was the first time I was working with my peers from the UK again. Mm-hmm. And since then I've migrated back to the UK, and I just try to put in some work, but boy, I can road and move like she don't want. You know what I'm saying? But we make it work same way.
Yeah, talking about working, you have released a few singles such as Incognito, and you have a latest one called Wagwan.
Wagwan. I just saw them spell it over here. Wagwan.
Yo, next time when I fix that up quick, because I'm almost have a Masika moment.
You almost do a Masika right now.
She's still trending.
Double trend in one morning, yeah.
Yeah, tell us about them.
Wagwan, it's my new single. It's featuring Western, who are a very talented collective from the UK. Some people in Jamaica might remember them from doing the song Texting with Alkaline. The song is produced by a very talented producer called Beanie Boy. And right, when I lie to you, I say because of my song. The people them I say the song of the summer. So I can just report what the people them I say. And it's the song of the summer where the UK is concerned. So now we just need to make Jamaica your Wagwan.
Okay, well, actually, I don't disagree. I listened to the song, I watched the video, and it does have a really nice summer vibe to it. I can feel it. So we're going to actually take a look at the video now, so now you can see it.
Yeah, I want to see it.
All right, Wagwan. Yes.
Come, talk to me.
Yeah, man. So I listened to it this morning, right?
Talk to me.
I listened to it this morning, and yeah, man, it's hot. It's really a summer song. It really is the summer song. And I found your lyrics to be quite rich, in how you presented what you were saying. Clever, but I understood it very clearly, okay?
I'm glad to hear that. Thank you.
Cashh, me not like your song.
Yeah, I like it.
Cashh,
we know anybody that like it.
Guess something I like your song, brother. As me hear the song, we start move, daddy, That song not for make you
never want to move. You never want to move.
You're there. Because you fight between you, start bouncing between you. All of a sudden, you stay. You say, one thing, you say, I'm a back, I stretch my back. No, Cashh, the song have a vibe.
Yeah, it does.
Respect,
it have a vibe, Cashh.
Respect, brother.
That song they name Money. Now we not talk about no pennies. You understand what I say? Paper money, that we drop silent.
Yeah.
But I hear that you're working on a dancehall project. When is that going to drop? And I mean, you and Popcorn, a friend, is he going to be on it? You know, give me a little sneak peek.
Well, first and foremost, one big up Poppy. Make sure everybody go support Fix Tape right now. The dancehall project is something that, all right, you know dancehall music very influential already. We're not going to get into the Billboard conversation.
I was going to ask you, know.
Yeah, we don't talk about it already. Me vex too, right? But yeah, dancehall music being as influential as it is a very important ingredient to the music that happens not just within the UK but across the world. So for me, I want to make sure that I paint the picture as authentic as possible. Born in Jamaica. My passport, I say, because it's full passport. You understand? So, more make sure I yeah, you understand? More make sure I say, as much as I have my English accent, I can mix and match. More paint the picture from the two sides of the world and orchestrate it as good as I can do it. So, within the dancehall project, is something I got to take my time with. I can't wait for return to Jamaica. And because this bagger over the internet business, I really like it. More reaching the studio and reaching the streets and connect with the people them. So I'm gonna finish that off the next time I reach a Jamaica.
Great talk.
Social media, and give us a shout out. Anybody you want to shout out, and then in that same line, just tell us how we can find you on social media.
Right. So big up everybody on Reddy's Road, Buckley, all of my family, them, my mother. Yes, my grandmother, two of my grandmother, them, father, everybody, cousin them, all like man them, all like girl them. You see me? Big up on the too, because we have a vibe on the show. I watch the show and give me a vibe. You see me? Big up Uno, big up Odessa.
Thank you, Cashh.
And yeah, if you want to find me on social media, on Instagram, it's the name is Cashh. That's simple.
How you spell the
Cashh? The name is Cashh, and the Cashh spelled with 2 H.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes, my brother.
And the song available for everybody go and support the video on YouTube. We can stream it on Deezer and everywhere. And yeah, give thanks. And bless up yourself. Stay safe, love and guidance.
Yeah, man, brother. Respect.
Great to meet you, Cashh. All right.
Yeah, take care. Too. Respect. Love.
Now that's it. Thanks for tuning in. And we'll be back on Friday with much more Buzz, Chat, Vibe and Mix.
All right, remember to check on your loved ones, support your community, your friends, stay safe, wash your hands, use up your sanitizer, wear your mask, and try to keep some kind of physical distance because guess what? Corona still a keep.
Yeah, Ramik, may your bad mind activate and appreciate and